Hi, welcome to today's video on 10 tips for preparing your home for sale. These tips are specifically designed for those looking to maximize their return and sell their home as quickly as possible. My name is Braden Milner and I'm a Southwest Florida real estate agent who specializes in helping homeowners like you do just that. So if you've been thinking about putting your home on the market, stick around because I have some great tips that will help you prepare your home for sale. Tip 1. Declutter and depersonalize your home. The first tip is to declutter and depersonalize your home. This means removing any excess items and personal belongings that might distract potential buyers from envisioning themselves in your property. This is also a great time to start organizing and getting rid of things that you no longer need. Tip 2. Make necessary repairs and updates. The second tip is to make any necessary repairs and updates. This can include things such as fixing a squeaky door hinge, replacing outdated lights and fans, or repainting the walls. These simple updates can go a long way in making your home more appealing to potential buyers. Tip 3. Clean your home thoroughly. The third tip is to clean your home thoroughly. This includes deep cleaning the carpets, scrubbing the countertops, and mopping the floors. Also, clean up after your furry friends. You may not notice the smell, but potential buyers certainly will. These cleaning measures will not only make your home look and smell better, but it will also create a welcoming environment for potential buyers. Tip 4. Stage your home for showings. The fourth tip is to stage your home for showings. This means arranging your furniture and decor in a way that highlights your home's best features and makes it look as inviting as possible. You can even add some fresh flowers or plants to bring in some natural elements. Tip 5. Boost your curb appeal. The fifth tip is to boost your curb appeal. First impressions are everything, so make sure the exterior of your home is in excellent shape. This includes trimming the hedges, mowing the lawn, pressure washing the exterior, and cleaning the windows and entryways. Tip 6. Organize your closets and storage spaces. The sixth tip is to clean and organize your closets and storage spaces. This is a great opportunity to sort through items and donate or throw away anything you no longer need or use. You want to ensure your buyer can envision their wardrobe and items in these spaces, so ensure they're as clean and tidy as possible. Tip 7. Highlight your home's best features. The seventh tip is to highlight the best features of your home. If you have a beautiful backyard or a spacious living room, make sure to point out these features to potential buyers. You can put some extra decorations in those areas or organize the furniture in a way that shows how the spaces can be utilized. For example, if you have a pool, ensure that the pool is cleaned and spotless and that your lanai furniture is organized in a way so that potential buyers can envision themselves spending time in the area. Tip 6. Create a welcoming entrance. The eighth tip is to create a welcoming entrance. This means making sure your front door is in good condition, adding a welcome mat, and add some plants or flowers to your entryway. This will create a warm and inviting atmosphere for potential buyers and leave them with a good first impression of the home. The feeling you create when they walk in will determine how they feel about the rest of your property. Tip 9. Enhance your lighting. The ninth tip is to enhance your lighting. Make sure all the light fixtures in your home are in working condition and replace any outdated ones. You can also add some lamps or light fixtures to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. This will be imperative for marketing photos and ensuring your buyers can see your home in its best light. Tip 10. Hire a professional real estate agent. The 10th and final tip is to hire a professional real estate agent. An experienced agent can help you navigate the selling process and provide you valuable insights on how to make your home more appealing to potential buyers. They can also help you price the home correctly, negotiate with buyers, and manage all of the paperwork. If you are located in the Southwest Florida area, I would love to assist you in the sale of your home. I have immense knowledge of our local market and am an expert in utilizing cutting-edge online marketing strategies specifically designed for the modern world. I also guarantee all of my clients white glove service. I handle every single step of the transaction for you. This ensures you will receive the most money from your home in the most stress-free way possible. If you're in another part of the country, I would still love to assist you in finding an agent who specializes in your local market and meets my customer service standards. I can be reached by call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. And there you have it, 10 tips for preparing your home for sale. By following these tips, you can help make your home more attractive to potential buyers and increase your chances of selling it quickly and for top dollar. If you or anyone you know has been thinking about selling your home, don't hesitate to reach out for expert advice and guidance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.